Hey there, train enthusiasts! Welcome back to Learn on Trains, where we share tips and tricks for your model train hobby. Today we're looking at an essential tool for every HO scale model train collector, the Rerailer. Let's dive in. If you ever struggle to get your HO scale train back on the tracks perfectly aligned, then the Rerailer is about to become your best friend. It's designed to make placing cars and locomotives on the track fast and frustration-free. Here's how it works. The Rerailer is a plastic guide that sits on or integrates with your track. It gently guides the wheels of your train onto the rails, ensuring perfect alignment every time. Some Rerailers are standalone, while others can be built directly into the track layout. So you only need to push the train over the Rerailer section and it will correct itself automatically, but those are perfect for high traffic areas or near your train yard. Today I'm going to show you how to use a standalone Rerailer. Place the dispositive at your track's edge, then position the locomotive or car so the wheels rest on the grooves. Gently roll the train forward and watch as the wheels align seamlessly onto the rails. If you find your train still derailing, double check that the Rerailer is properly positioned and the wheels are seated in the grooves. And that's it. The Rerailer is a simple yet powerful tool to keep your model train hobby stress-free and enjoyable. Whether you're new to HO scale trains or a seasoned pro, it's a must-have in your toolkit. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to Learn on Trains for more tips and tricks for your model railroad adventures.